I'm doing a vlog here at Pennant Hills, so enjoy. Waratah approaching platform number 2, Barara service. This train will stop at Thornley, followed by Normanhurst, Hornsby, then all stations to Barara. Due to track work this weekend between Epping and Chatswood and Hornsby and Wynyard. Set A58. This train came from Epping. A58 is now departing platform number 2, Barara service. I apologise for the sunlight, as it's pretty bad. Again, Barara service. A58 about to arrive onto platform number 1 here at Pennant Hills. Epping service. You can't see it yet, but it's... yeah, Epping service. I'm not facing the other way because the sunlight's quite... yeah, it's quite bright. It's at A72. A72 now departing, platform number 1, Epping service. First stop, Beecroft, then Cheltenham and Epping. Just up there was a Hills bus.
Customers, please be advised there is currently no lift access between the concourse and platform 2 due to lift upgrading work. This work is expected to be completed in early July 2015. Thank you.
Customers on platform 1, the next train does not stop at this platform. Please stand behind the yellow line. Please.
That'll be a Newcastle service due in about, I don't know, don't really know how long, but 5-ish minutes. We have a V-set approaching platform 1. The front half is in the intercity livery, which is very nice. I'm unsure of the set at this point in time, but it's about to fly through. Just move over a bit. Set V20. This train came from Hamilton. Rihuff V31. This train will stop Epping, then Eastwood, Strathfield and Central. Waratah approaching platform number 2. This train is going to Hornsby. Set A57. Departing platform number 2, Hornsby service.
First stop, Beecroft, then Cheltenham,
Waratah approaching platform number 1, Central service stopping all stations to Epping, Eastwood, all to Strathfield, Burwood, Redfern, Central. Set A61. A61 departing platform 1, Central via Strathfield service. We have some SSR locos about to pass platform number 1. They're going quite slowly. Or CEY classes. CEY 005, Newcastle. CEY 001, Port Kembla. And CEY 003, Linsdale. And we also have a V set about to pass, platform number 2, Newcastle service. This train is not going as fast as I hoped. And I think the freight's stopping. V16 front half. V16, only 4 cars. I'm probably not going to film all this freight because, as you can see, it is going very slowly. And there's a lot left of it. I was changing platforms and I had to run for this. Yeah, okay, I'll end the video here. Freight is now approaching. Approaching platform number 2, Barara service.
The next train to arrive on platform 1 goes to Epping. First stop, Beecroft, then Cheltenham and Epping.
Set A72. I think this was the train I got at the start of the video. Barara service now departing platform number 2. This train is delayed by about 2 minutes because of the Newcastle train that was delayed as well.
The next train to arrive on platform 2 goes to Hornsby. First stop, Thornley, then Normanhurst and Hornsby.
The signal you see up there is TH3, which stands for Thornley Third Track. See, car Oscar about to pass platform number 1. It is a central service stopping Epping, Eastwood, Sheffield Central, and it came from Wyong. Front half H38. The rear half is H29. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. See you later. Bye bye.